Hello, I am Manali Mangeshuke. I have recently completed my BTECH degree in computer science. I was an incubation student in Qspiders Deccan. I was come during my last year and during my BTECH last year, and when I was came in Qspiders, I was so confused that what will be the further thing I will do in my career. But the trainers here, such as Tejas sir, which was my Java trainer, and they helped with Java. Like Java was very difficult. Every student think that the Java is difficult thing to learn, but Tejas sir make the Java is like heart of every student. I love Java because of Tejas sir. They helped me a lot with Java, and he is best. After that, I have completed my SQL. Ravi Teja sir taught us the SQL, and it was a great experience. I have feel that SQL was the best thing to learn with here, and after that I have done testing here with Selenium tool, and it was taught us by Mani sir, and it was a great experience. So overall experience of Qspiders Deccan was amazing, and I've learned everything whatever the new student who are going to join the industry should know. So it was the great experience of mine, and I should thank all the trainers here in Qspiders, and it was a great journey, and that is all about my experience with Qspiders Deccan. Thank you.